Hello everyone and welcome to the world of the International Fab Talks. Today, we are connecting with somebody from Indonesia. Let's get to know more about her journey as to who she is and what is her life story, what is her journey and what is her contribution to the world. And she is our celebrity guest for today. She is none other than Yana Sori Piga. I'd like to repeat that. Join us to welcome our celebrity guest. She is joining us all the way from Indonesia. Hello ma'am and welcome to the session. Thank you so much for being here with us. Hello.
I'm really very thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much. I go ahead and share your profile briefly and we begin the session. Dear. Thank you so much. So, dear friends, I share the profiles of all our celebrity guests, and today it is none other than Yana Sori Piga. She's joining us all the way from Indonesia. We'll get to know more about her. She's joining us from the Zumba Islands. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm mispronouncing the word, she will help me in pronouncing it in the right way. Actually, Yana Sori Piga is a tourist guide and an interpreter in tourism. She is an author, a poetess, a writer. She is the promoter of Sumba and Indonesian arts and culture. She's also a private English teacher and she's also very good in speaking another language, that is in Tamil. She speaks very well. So let's get to know more about her journey, dear friends, on the International Fab Talks. We'd love to connect with people from different parts of India and from different parts of the world. So let's have a wonderful time getting to know her on the International Fab Talks, friends. Hello, ma'am, and welcome to the session. Thank you so much for being a part of our journey. I'd like to ask you first, like, how would you like to describe Yana? Who is Yana from your end? உங்க பத்தி என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்க? உங்க பத்தி என்ன ஷேர் பண்ண போறீங்க? Over to you.
Okay, hello everyone. Good evening from Sumba Islands of East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. Romba Danri for invited me in discussions of Zoom meeting online. Yana, very happily to meet you everyone here. I am Yana Suripiga, 42 years old. I'm a private English teacher here. I'm a tourist guide, 42 years old. I do my private English teacher since 2005, few years ago. And I do love to do writing, especially of poems. Those all my poem is coming from about the real life and the arts and cultures of Sumba Islands.
That's really nice. Now, you are promoting the culture and the art connected to Sumba Islands, right? So now if you
Yeah.
can tell me, what do you do? How do you promote the culture of this beautiful island in your country?
Since the beginnings of my living as a tourist guide, I do promoting of the arts and cultures through the media. I make any video, the live streamings, I send to the Facebook, WhatsApp page, Telegrams, and Instagram, snack videos, and the TikTok. All those I do to promote. So I'm so happy from this moment of the global warnings of the 2024, 2025. I can do promote through of the social media. That is very nice on this global technique of the world.
That's really nice. That's very interesting, Yana. Your name is also very beautiful. I like to call
Roman,
you Yana. That's really nice. Now, could you tell me something about you being a person as an interpreter? Like, you're connected with tourism, you're an
yeah.
interpreter. How do you do this? And how do you take the people around and show them your island where you stay or maybe the country that you stay?
I check the people's here from another country. They are from coming from the Chinese, Singapore, uh, Indians, Spain, Portuguese, or Brazil, or whenever from the Europe. I do invite them. I saw all about what is Sumba Islands, who is people in Sumba Islands through the social media, or maybe from the network connections by the Facebook. Everything by network connections I do promoting there. So when the guests come to Sumba Islands, I do by my language, local language, translate to my national language to English. Even if they didn't know, the guest doesn't know how to speak Bahasa Indonesia of my language, I speak in English. If they say they can speak English as well, cannot. If they are coming from Singapore and then speak Singlish, I can speak Singlish, Singaporean English, and then they are a little bit mixed with the Brazilian Portuguese, and little bit of them mixed with the Spain, Italiano, and Tamil. Nechima, I can say, Yadri Maniche, Yenga, Yana Teme, yes, Bokria, Tungida, Wutria, Rendepere Chinam Tanganchi. I can say that. Like in English, okay, let's go. Okay. I starting for promoting about the arts and cultures. Well, Sumba Islands is located in East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia, the part of the south of Indonesians. Indonesians is the part from the Asians, associations of the nations. Indonesians has a neighbor country, Malay, Singapore, Vietnam, and Thailand, etc. Exactly, me as a tourist guide, I must learning some of the foreign language. In Sumba Islands, we have 70 local language spreading around. I understand, almost understand all the language in my regencies. Sumba Islands has 4 regencies, that is East Sumba, Kepri City, Waingapu, Middle Sumba, Kepri City, Waibakul, Wai Sumba, Kepri City, Waikabubak, South West Sumba, Kepri City, Waitabula. From those 4 regencies, we have a very interesting for tourism objects to welcoming the guests. I invite every the guest. You will love my islands. My islands is a very wild, has wild green savanna. It's very layers. It's very wild. You will see a very specific of the bird. You can do photographer, weather photography. You can visit for a tourist village. So in village, I will show and interpreter you, explain you descriptions how looks like of my traditional house here. The traditional house in Sumba, we have 2 models, has the flat and the highest flat. Most of the roofs of the Sumba traditional house is made from the grasses. The grasses is coming from the forest. We take permission from the governments, then we get it the grasses to make as the build a house. So the house having pillars. There are 36 pillars spread around. There are in the middle rooms, in the center of rooms of the house has 4 pillars, the biggest ones. The pillars, it means in Bahasa Indonesia means tiang. So, about the village also, when everybody or anyone's dead, they will burial in the front of the house of us. It means the graves. So, why we must put in the front? When we have the ceremonials here in Sumba, then we can put the, we can give them hello to the ancestor who already dead. We put the betel nut to them. This is the means of welcoming to the guest. Betel nut, okay? This is the traditional bag is made from the green leaves. So this is names of betel nut. Yes, we can serve you when you come to our house. This is names pinang, nut, betel nuts. And this one, they have the powders names of lemons. This one is sweet. Okay, try. This is our traditional food. Our specialist will coming the guest who's come to our house. This is a very special powders. Is coming from the sea. Has the biggest stones. The women's activities to make this one. Okay, and this one is the nuts. This one with the skins. Okay. Okay. This is the gills, the meat of these nuts. Okay. Once you come here, I will show you how to eat. Okay. I can take this one. Okay. And then this one. This is the fruits. We can put like this. This is a very special food to welcoming the guests who visit our house, who come to attend to the ceremonial times in Sumba Islands. And then what will happen? The colors will change, become red. And then I have a very original lipstick. Remember, every clan in Sumba Island has different ceremonials based to whatever they're doing for their ceremonials in every regencies and the clans. Most of Indonesia and Sumba Islands people, societies, they has varieties, characteristics, their habitats, their backgrounds of living. In Sumba Islands, the people is coming from three class: upper class, middle class, and low class. Say, hey, are you India? No, but I am, and my ancestors coming from India. Nenek moyang orang Sumba itu berasal dari negara India. Tempo itu adalah historical. That is about the real history about the Sumba Islands, Sumbanese people's living, where they come from. The real come from of Sumba peoples is coming from India. Maybe you can check out by the Googles, by the another book. So I tell you the real story about Sumba peoples, where they are coming. Okay, so about house. In 4 regencies, we have different style of house, from East Sumba, West Sumba, Middle Sumba, and Southwest Sumba. In Middle Sumba of my regencies, we have a very place where we sit, but in other place we don't have. They have a very like what is that? A very large room, large front, large room, but different with us, yes, in Middle Sumba. And also our character, every regency here in Sumba Islands has different or varieties of characteristics. So what I'm wearing now, this is about the Sumba Islands traditional clothes. Okay. Okay. You can see now, maybe. I don't know how. Okay. Maybe I try to do this like this, so you can see me as well. Okay. Okay. So this is names of the traditional clothes from Sumba. Okay, we wearing this one. I think in India also have. This traditional clothes is made from the string. It means like the Sumba weaving. Oh. The people see as the women, they do the specialist. Maybe one day I can send to you. Okay. Okay. The traditional clothes has different style. For men is the long one is not like this one. Also, I saw the Indian men use the white colors, right? When they go to for Sami te. Okay, I remember in Singapore, my boss used the white colors, but different style with me. Okay, later I will send you how the women use their things and then also the men's. Okay, that is about the clothes. So for another food, local food or traditional food. In Sumba Island, we have a very specialist food. It's made in from the flour. In my Bahasa means a kaparak that is made in from the flour, rice flour. That is the powders. But it's coming from the rice flour is bringing to the grills or maybe we smashes by the wood mortar. And then we have softly flours mixed with the grade of grade coconuts and the peanuts flour. All those we mix it as well, when we go for fry that, become something very nicely. And also these items I saw in India also. The Indians, they do that, but different with us. And also the traditional cake is made in from the rice flour or the corn flour also. It's made in the roundings. It's not like the prata, roti prata. I know the prata, roti prata from India in Singapore last time I tried. And then they make it like sambal something. It's very nice, Levan. I like that. I really miss it your traditional food from India. I hope maybe next month if I go to Singapore, I can eat again those Indian traditional foods. So another ways, about things, uh, these items, okay, this is the bags we can use when we go to the village, when they do traditional party, when there are somebody die, we can use this one like this. You can see this one, okay? This completely with the traditional fish. We put here. This is a very special eggs. If you want, I can send to you. These things is made in from the leaves. The activities of women do this one. Okay. About language, I already tell you. Now I'm telling you about the tourism object. Okay. If you come here for promoting, I welcoming the guests to go to the village, to waterfall, beach for surfing. They can do surfing, fishing, or diving. And also, we can bring them to the lake for fishing, local fish. It's very interesting. And also, can go to the forest, we can see the pig roars, birds, okay, the pig there's in-house, a pet pig, a pet some of pig. However, at the year 2021, allows my pig, since 2017 until 2022, almost 100 plus pigs was dead because the virus from the Africa. Livestock of the people sees the pet pigs, horse, cow, and doggy, we fed also, chicken, rooster, and hens. Cat also. Why we must pet those items? We pet the buffalo and the horse, cows, and pig we use for to eat. Also, it's very important we use for the traditional ceremonial reasons. When I got married with a man, again for marriage. When I got a marriage with a man, so from my family must bring pig with the traditional clothes. And the men coming to marry me, they will bring of cow, buffalo, horse, dogs. Okay? Ketika sang suami calon suami, okay? My husband, if I have husband, ya, jika kalau saya telah berkeluarga, seorang lelaki akan membawakan belis berupa kerbau, kuda, sapi, dan anjing, kambing termasuk ya, goats. Lalu kemudian perempuan akan membalasnya dengan memberikan kain dan babi dan kain sarung. Okay? When the men bring the cattle, and also the woman's family will given to repay their respect with the pig and the traditional clothes. The men will bring the cover. Someone, a girl, they will bring this knife. This knife can use to kill animals when the traditional times. It's happened when the traditional party, and when the funeral times. The peoples will kill the buffalo, horse, and cow even to use this one. Later, I will send you the video how the peoples kill the animals during of the funeral time. Sementara saya akan mengirimkan sebuah video seperti apakah masyarakat Sumba itu melakukan pembantaian hewan saat pemakaman mayat atau penguburan di wilayah Pulau Sumba. And then, lalu kemudian, this one has the mamulis. Okay. These items looks like the wombs of women. Terlihat seperti rahim seorang ibu. It means the glorious of Sumba. Tanda kejayaan dari Pulau Sumba. atau kemuliaan, kemakmuran dari Pulau Sumba. These designs of the logos of the Sumanese glorious of Sumba Islands. These items has only in Sumba. Benda ini hanya terdapat di Pulau Sumba. Okay, someday when you come to Sumba, you can see these items. Okay, in this one earrings, also it names Mamulis. This is very specialist earrings. Okay, wait. Okay. These items is very different with another items, okay? Same. This is specialist for women. Do you interest? Okay.
Beautiful.
Yes. So, it is time. It's over time, not yet?
You can share. You
Okay.
can share. It's a beautiful journey you're sharing. You can share.
So, about living in Sumba Islands, we are so close with the cultures. Nobody can remove the cultures from our livings. Cultures is the iconic from our livings as a Sumbanesians. Budaya merupakan ikon dari masyarakat Pulau Sumba yang tidak terlepas dari kehidupan kami sebagai masyarakat Pulau Sumba. Kami dilahirkan, dibesarkan, dan berkembang bahkan mati pun beralaskan atau berlatar belakang budaya. We were born, getting development, growing up, even when we dead, based to the cultures. I think in India also has. Same in Sumba Island. Why must has? Must same. Because Sumba Islands, person, people's ancestors coming from India also. Our tradition, the every culture has traditional. The every culture country has cultures. However, we have difference to do, but we are one point. We are same to go to get point of view our living as people. We do something as human being because we are people who love of humanity. Something is very interesting in Sumba Islands. The people always do cooperate to do job, even the light job, even light job and heavy job. We do work together, help one each others. Nobody can live alone here. We do cooperate wherever when our neighbors got problems about food. We can respect them to help them. If our neighbor has somebody die, we will must come to join them to feel how they are feelings as human beings. So yes, sociality in Sumba Island is very highest. We love sociality's livings. We are the peoples joining for the morals. Like morals, it means they be doing as human beings. Politely, humbles is number one. We are the people who love of friendly. Kami adalah masyarakat yang sangat bersahabat. We welcoming everyone to come in our islands as human beings. Kami akan menyapa masyarakat manapun untuk datang ke tempat kami. Welcome to Sumba Islands to joining of travelings and trips. Let's go with us. Me as a tourist guide, I will guide you in every single rooms. In every single rooms, I means in every single routes of tourism object. Sa akan mengebudikanmu di setiap jejak wisata Tanah Marapu as the traditional lands. And also, I forget to say you, it's very interesting, Sumba Islands is known as the Thousand Horses Islands. Terkenal sebagai Pulau Seribu Kuda, daerah Tanah Marapu in East Nusa Tenggara. So in Sumba Islands, we have also the poultry, tails and feathers. It's very different from another islands. The poultry in Sumba Islands of mines of regencies means Umbu Delu dan Rabukahi, Umbu Badu, and etc. We have a very traditional songs Oli Gala Rumarada Maladaya Oli. Those Oli Gala Rumarada means we are the people who sleeping in big regencies. Even we are different social status, but we are one in unity to go together. Who is us? We are the people who's doing human being. Human being as humanity. Maybe I'm really talking so much about Sumba Islands. Okay. In another islands, in another regencies, but Sumba Island, but my regencies of Central Sumba, in West Sumba, when somebody die, when somebody parties, your neighbors, when their funeral times, if she doesn't invite you, if I don't invite you, but you will never come. But in a regencies, if somebody die, funeral times, we are lot of societies, different regencies, different characteristic. Even me in Sumba Island, different characteristic with Indian peoples. Even Indian peoples has different characters with the Spain's Hindi. I think in one country we are same as a one country. However, we have different characteristics as the peoples. So, seperti di India having suku atau keluarga besar Tamil. In India having the big families of Tamils, and Hindi will be of course having different characters. How they do the ceremonials, how they do the traditional. In Sumba Island has, like in your India, like in your Singapore, like in your Spain and Portugal and USA. And I hope someday I can visit your Indian country. Maybe if I have free times, I will come to India. I will say, Nechi Nechi. I will joining of your prata roti. Eat your, what is that? Chicken curry. I love so much about the chicken curry from India. So about lake to visit for fishing in my regencies of Sumba, there is no payment for fishing. You can come to join us for fishing in local lake here in Sumba Islands. So for builders, about entry data for the visitor village, we must do payment for the entry village. Take the card. That is only very cheapest. Very cheapest to do our things. For traveling, is standard starting from 800,000 rupees of Indonesia until 1 million. Tentang traveling, rent car, kendaraan, standar adalah 800,000 hingga 1 juta per hari. Starting from 800,000 rupees to until 1 million rupees of Indonesian money to pay the rent car for every single room. But different to the distance. Tergantung daripada jarak lokasi yang dikunjung. There is about all the reasons. So I think you will be interested when you come to Sumba Island. And also in Bali. I saw the pictures that is in Bali, in your backgrounds. Bali Islands, the peoples in Bali and Sumba Islands, we have most differently. In Bali, they have also local language. In Bali also has a much differently peoples they're doing their traditionals. In Bali, mostly same in India. Okay? In Bali, why mostly? They have a Hinduism. Also in Sumba, we have Hindu. We different religion, but we are one in together. There is no differences in Sumba Islands. Muslims, Hinduism, Buddhist, Catholic, Christian, Protestant, everything is one unity in Sumba Islands. Kami memiliki 6 agama and 5 religions, and also the one is the religious. 6 agama, 5 agama dalam satuan Kristus, Tuhan, pengenalan Tuhan, sedangkan satunya adalah agama Marapu, that is religious. Orang kepercayaan. Hal ini masih ada di Sumba. Dan agama Marapu ini atau peristiwa Marapu ini atau bidang kepercayaan tidak akan pernah dihilangkan dari tanah Marapu. Kenapa? Why must we keep standing behind that? People live by their cultures. Kenapa? Masyarakat kami hidupnya berempingan berdasarkan budaya, berdasarkan tradisional. Dan hal ini tidak akan pernah dihilangkan dari mata masyarakat Pulau Sumba. Itulah keunikan kami. That is the unique with peoples in Sumba Islands. Okay, if you want to listen of my poems, I have poems. Sumba Legendary. Saya memiliki puisi tentang seperti apakah saya sebagai pemandu wisata, yaitu berjudul Legenda Sumba. Okay, let's go. I will read. I wait. I see for my phone the poems. Okay. I little forget the poems. Wait. There is my poems. Oh, let go. Wait, sorry. This is about the my poems, okay? Later I will send to you. Legenda Sumba. Puisi Legenda Sumba ini saya tuliskan pada tahun 2021 dan hadir sebagai pemenang nasional Indonesia. Saya hadir sebagai pemegang skor tertinggi. I have a biggest winner from these poems, okay? Okay, listen from my phone. Sumba Legendary. I am like a legendary figure whose names isn't recorded. Oh. I walk through every touristic village, forest, and waters area. I keep pressing in my shirts of the stories in the land Marapu Huba. I'm looking of the real face of the land Marapu Huba. My soul continues to take my melody. I'm moving footers to travelings on my feet. My soul is longing for you, O land Marapu Huba. Your green savannah, your green savannah. You are so tender and great as my precious souls. That is what I am touching on your savannah. There I heard the voice of sandalwood horse. There was the ringing bells as the sandalwood horse galloped in the petals. Olen Marapu Huba, your arts and cultures make my life colorful and unique of your music. Your especially singing styles. The voice of country boys trembles. When they listen storytellings, fairy tales and fables. I like so much to listen to your voice. The sounds of hammering gongs and the drums accompanying by the traditional dance of the Marapu Huba. Your music in the sounds of bamboo flutes, played by the shepherd boys. The cheerful shouts from the village children, Olen Marapu Huba, you are in my dreams.
Nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
These poems, why I'm writing, I feel I do whatever I do. Oke, saya menuliskan puisi ini berdasarkan apa yang saya rasakan, yang saya lakukan. Saya melalui wilayah perkampungan, desa, lembah, wilayah kelautan, dan pegunungan. Semuanya kucurahkan di dalam bentuk puisi tersebut. All things I put in these poems. These poems is written by Yana Sorpiga at the year 2021. And I become the winners when the poetry competitions times. I am the winners from these poems. This poem was sharing to the global magazines, ya. Puisi ini saya telah sharingkan ke majalah global dunia pada beberapa hari yang lalu. That is, I was joining. I'm still sharing of my poems to the global magazines, E- ESS magazines. So I'm trying also to keep short writings of my poem to sharing for the Indian globals. Melakukan sharing penulisan ke puisi ke majalah India lagi. Minggu depan, next week, I will share my poems to the Indian magazines. I hope I can do the best. I'm sorry, I'm not perfect in English, but I keep trying to learning how to be there, to hanging myself to be the best one as you want. But I'm not the best. I'm not spectacular, but I'm a simple. I love, I trust once I become a simple speakers, a simple writers or authors, a speaker with this from the time to the time I will getting changed. They just call it about the unique case of minds. Ya, saya bukanlah seorang yang sangat hebat dan bukan juga sosok yang spektakuler dalam menulis, tapi saya percaya bahwa saya akan membawa Sumba ke dunia global yang terbaik. I trust that I will bring Sumba for a globally world as well. Thanks for your supporting me and your prize ya. Terima kasih atas dukungan dan doanya. Semua yang terbaik untuk saya ke depan. I believe everything I do will make my Sumba go global as well. Ana Sorbiga from Sumba Islands. Romba, romba, romba nalar kya? Pesite.
Yes, dear. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
You're
So, dear
welcome.
friends, yes, dear. Thank you so much. So, dear friends, with this, we'd like to come to an end now to the International Fab Talks for today. Yes, dear.
Bless God.
My dear friends, with this, we'd like to come to an end to the International Fab Talks for today. If you like what the International Fab Talk team is doing, stay connected with us. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to the International Fab Talks. Don't forget to make your life more beautiful. Visit different places and make the most of this life. You could visit even Zumba Islands. If you are interested, you could connect with our celebrity guest. She is Yana Sori Piga. We'll share her details in the description when we share this video. If you'd love to visit the Zumba Islands in Indonesia, you could connect with her and have a great time. Of course, don't forget to take care of yourself, stay safe, and trust the right kind of people. With this, we'd like to sign off now from the International Fab Talks. Have a wonderful day ahead.